Hi there. Today I'm going to show you a way with which you can reclaim the space acquired by node modules. This is one of the problems that I face very often when I experiment with a lot of projects and I run npm install. Node modules is created, but we never realize how much space it takes until our machine goes out of space and we have no idea how to claim that. I'll give you an example. I'm currently in a project that I'm working on, and this is a node project. As you can see, it has package.json. And to give you an idea of how much space it takes now, it takes 1.5 gigs, but this is not exactly the space acquired by the code that I've written. It's mostly the packages that my code depends on, and they take the entire space in node modules. So if I go to node modules, and if I do the same thing again, you can see that 219 megs is only in node modules. And there is more. Why? Because if I go back, I'm using packages, which means I'm using monorepos. So each of those packages that I have inside my project also have node modules. So the problem keeps on accumulating as you have more node modules. And I've been thinking about how to claim this space back. So lately I found a library that I think is a fantastic addition to my tool set. It's called npkill. And the idea is that it can identify the space taken by Node.js modules. It also gives us the last modified and space with which we can delete the folders step by step. So in order to showcase how this works, I'll go back here and I will say, or I'll just get rid of this entire window right now. And I'll say npx. I'm not installing it globally. I'm just running it using npx, npxy, npkill. And as I run this command, it's searching our Node.js modules and it's saying that 218 megs is here. And I have another sub project called sales, which also has 31 megabytes. Now I can quit. And one thing which I really like about this library is if I go one step up, I'm in all the TypeScript projects or Node.js projects I'm working on. I can really work my way up and say npx minus y npkill, and it recursively goes in every project that I have in this directory, and it will try to find out the space that I can claim. As you can see, it says I can release 5.45 gigabytes of space. And on the right hand side, you will see last modified in size. So how do you make a decision on which node modules to delete? Now there are two parts. One, whichever is taking more space, versus it might be the case the one that is taking more space is the recent project. In that case, you can go with the last modified column. But what if you can sort by this dimension? So let's see if we have a way to ask for that. If I do -h, I get the help here, and there is a way to sort, and you can sort by size, path, or date. So let's sort by the size first. So I will go and say -s by size. And as I run again, you will see that the node directory, the node modules directory that takes most space is at the top, which is 757 megabytes, and so on and so forth. But we can also go and sort by date underscore modified. It says, okay, so it's last modified, not date modified. So last mod. And as I hit, now our results is modified based on the oldest node modules and how much space it is taking. So if you look at the left-hand side, it says cursors for select, which is what I'm doing up and down, and space to delete. So let's try to delete the first one here. So I do space and see it says deleting and deleted. And I will go and say delete, and it's going deleted. So this is a fantastic way to claim your space from node modules, which you might not be even using, but it's just eating up the space from your machine. So I know it was a quick video, but I wanted to share because I found it incredibly useful, and some of you may find it useful as well in your work. Thank you very much.